Hi there everyone, I'm Richard from Burning Spears. Welcome to my channel. It's Wednesday evening, in from work, middle of the week, Whiskey Wednesday. And I thought I would treat myself and christen my 35 centimeter Petromax cast iron skillet. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some homegrown veg. I've got potatoes, tomatoes and some greens, and then I'm going to cook this delicious little poussin, which I hope you know is a very young chicken, a baby chicken. It's really quite small, and I'm going to do it in the love of my life, my Kamado Joe Classic 2, and this is set at 180 degrees centigrade, which is a little over 300, probably like 355 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. Doesn't have to be hugely close, but I've got my skillet inside. Has been there for a while, so it's as hot as the inside of the Kamado Joe itself, which is where you want to be. And I'm just going to dress the chicken, get it ready and get started. Right, so this is without giblets, guts, organs, corn fed, only the best for me on a Wednesday. So I'm going to spatchcock this. So as you can see, typically like a big chicken, breasts, legs, cute little leggies, thighs, wings. So I'm going to cut the spine out. And that's basically it. I've cut the breastbone so it's nice and flat. And that's how she's going to start off cooking. A little bit of olive oil. Right, that's rested for about 5 minutes. I'm going to pull the greens and then serve up. Right guys, so there we have it. My Whiskey Wednesday Poussin. Chris and my cast iron skillet. My mouth is just salivating here. I'm not even thinking about the whiskey. This looks beautiful. You saw I took it off at a good temp, around about 75 degrees Celsius. And you saw the gravy, the way I cooked this, the greens, all of the homegrown veg. What can I say, man? What can I say? I'm gonna love eating this. That is so juicy and tender. And I'll even eat some greens on camera. They're so good. So excuse me, I want to get stuck in here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to stay hydrated, stay cool. Thanks, and I hope you're still watching this. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. That's it. You know, right, I was lying about not focusing on my whiskey. It's all I could think about the whole time.